Language and Symbols, Part 6. So binary operation is a function in a set that combines two elements of the set to form a third element of the set. So examples of binary operations on integers, pwede siya addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. So, but I will not be explaining more on modulo because I would prefer if I discuss it, that would be face-to-face. So, binary operation. Unsa man ang binary operation? So, binary operation in a set is a mapping of elements of the Cartesian product set S cross S to S. Example, we have the star S cross S to S such that A star B is an element of S. So, star here represents the operation. For all A, B, si B daw, element ni S. Meaning si B naa ni S. Yeah, the two elements of the input and the output belong to the same set. So, dili pwede nga ang imong input naa ni S pero ang output wala dito. So, dapat ang imong output, whatever operation it will be, it still belong to S. So, the binary operation is denoted using different symbols such as addition is denoted by plus, multiplication is denoted by x. So we still use the same symbols for our operations. The definition of binary operation states that if S is a non-empty set, so dili siya empty, and star is said to be binary operation in S, then it should satisfy the condition which says if A is an element of S, meaning A naa ni S, A is part of S, and B is also an element of S, or B is inside or part of S, then A star B is an element of S. For all, for all na siya nga symbol. For all A, sa tanang A, ang B naa ni S. B part siya sa S. In other words, star is a rule for any two elements in the set S where both the input values and the output values should belong to the set. It is known as binary operation as it is performed on two elements of a set, and binary means two. Okay, binary means two. Bi means two. So, na kay A, na kay B, i-applyan mo binary operation, ang whatever result, part gihapon siya sa S. Naara gihapon siya sa S. That's binary operation. So, properties of binary operation. So, we have the closure property. Dili na siya closure. Nga nagbuwag mo, mag-closure. Dili na siya mao nga closure property, ha. So, we cannot associate it with those kind of happenings. Sige, we moved on. Balik ta sa atong topic. A binary operation star on a non-empty set P has closure property. So, if A is an element of P, so ang A kuno naa ni P, si B sad naa ni P, and A star B is also in B. So, for example, addition is a binary operation that is closed on natural numbers, integers, and rational numbers. So, kung mag-add ka, let's say, for example, natural number atong gamiton. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 1 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number, and 3 is a natural number. So tanan natural number. Okay? So kung mag-rational number sa ta, so may rational number na to. 2.5 plus 3/4. That's equal to tunga sa kilo og 3/4. That's 1 and 1/4. 1 and 1/4. So 1/2 is a rational number, 3/4 is a rational number, 1 and 1/4 is also a rational number. So naa siya tanan. Same thing with integer. So closed siya ang binary operation. Kaya naaraman gyud siya din ha. And that is very specific to addition. Moving on, associative property. So the associative property of binary operations holds if for a non-empty set S. So dapat ang atong set dili gid siya empty. So we can write A star B star C. Pwede sad siyang mahimong A star B star C, where A, B, and C is part of S. Suppose that Z, so ng Z, integers ng Z. Z, set of integers. And multiplication be the binary operation. So, specify na to unsa nga operation. So, multiplication. So, we let -3, 5, B is 5, and C is -16. So, inigwrite na to ana. Tinidako lang. -3 times 5 times -16. Negative man na para dili ta malibog, tangaran na to parenthesis. So bisan pa kunong ibaylo nato, iliso nato ang parenthesis. May mo siyang -3 times may times diha ano, times. Tanga na lang na akong times. Pero pwede na siya walay symbol din ha. 5 times -16. Ang iyang answer ana dili ra mo change. So kini siya 240 gid ang answer. So gibaylo nato ang parenthesis 240 ra gid na siya. So that's associativity. Associative property. Dili mo matter kung unsa nga groups. Giunsa nimo pag-group ang mga number, but it will still give you and arrive at exactly the same answer. That's associative property. Specific on multiplication. Next, commutative property. A binary operation star on a non-empty set is commutative if A star B equals B star A. So, gibaylo ra nato. Naguna si B na din he. For all, A, B is in S. So, si A ug si B na ni S. Suppose addition be the binary operation. So, addition atong binary operation. And we consider that a set of real numbers. So, ang A na to 4, ang B kay 5. So, kung i-add na to si 4 plus 5, ibaylo na to nga mag-una na si 5, dayon si 4, dili ma-change ang iyahang value. So, 4 plus 5 is 9. Niya ang 5 plus 4 is still 9. Meaning commutative ang binary operation. We have to check that 4 is a natural number, 5 is a natural number, and the sum 9 is a natural number. So, commutative ang binary operation, which is addition. Next, distributive property. Let star and sharp be two binary operations defined on a non-empty set. The binary operations are distributive if A star A star B sharp C equals A star B sharp A star C. For all, A, B, and C must be in S. And suppose star is the multiplication operation and star is the subtraction operation. So, sharp. So, duha. Kini siya kay multiplication. Ang second operation is subtraction operation. Niya ang atong set kay set of integers. Sige, these are three important operations in the set also. So A is 3, B is 4, and C is 7. So pagsulat na nato 3 times 4 minus 7 ay 4 minus 7 is negative 3 man times 3 may mo siyang negative 9. So negative 9, i-check nato, negative 9 is a set of integers. So i-baylo na sa nato in our so may mas kuan nga color kini siya A star niya pagkahuman nag-distributive ta lahi na sa siyang noun no. So may man siyang A times B minus times man ni siya ang star. A times B, so bayluon na nato ang star din here by times yung sharp minus. So A times B minus 8 times C. So 3 times 4 minus 3 times 7. So 3 times 4 is 12 minus 21. 12 minus 21 is 9. So parehas na siyang answer. So makakonclude ta nga A star B sharp C is really equal to A star B sharp A star C for all ABC is in Z. So I hope I was able to explain it very well. Next, identity element. So a non-empty set P with a binary operation star is said to have an identity E is in P. If A star A is equal to A star E is equal to A. For all A is in P. So here, E is the identity element. Example na nato. Ang atong set kay kuan Z lang, Z. Integers na siya, Z. So, na ako'y 4. Ang akong A kay 4. Then, ang E kay E na ako kay 1. 1. Yang ako ang operation, ang akong star kay multiplication. So, that will give me 1 times 4 is equal to still 4 times 1. And that's basically still equal to 4. So, ang ato ang A is still part of P because that is also our that is multiplied by the identity element 1. Next, inverse property. A non-empty set P with a binary operation star is said to have an inverse element. If A star B and B star A is equal to E. For all A, B, and E is an element of P. Here, A is the inverse of B, and B is the inverse of A. And E is the identity element, inverse ni siya. A and B. A star B, B star A. Okay. Okay. Magkuha na lang ko. Rational. Q. No? Q. Rational number. So, akong A kay 3/4. Ang ako ang B kay identity man inverse kanang 4/3. Ang ako ang E ABE 1. Ang ako ang operation. Ang akong star din ay multiplication. So, if I have 3/4 times 4/3 equals to, bisag palihon pa na nako, si 4/3 maguna, niya si 3/4 maawahi. That gives me 1 equals 1. Okay? So, 1 din mo na ni ang atong ang identity element 1. Part gyapon siya sa rational number. Kaya tanang whole number or tanang natural number, part man siya sa rational number. So, that's inverse property. So, if you have questions, clarifications with any part of the discussion, feel free to comment. Put your comment section in the put your comments in the comment section below, or post it in the group chat. Thank you so much and have a good day.